Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing this gear wrench ratchet set that I got. I posted up a deal a couple weeks back, maybe even longer than that. I got it from Lowe's. So I actually ended up getting it for about $96 or something like that. And how I got it at that price, I believe it was going for about $101. And they gave it so I was about to purchase it at that price because it's actually a pretty good deal already, but as I was making the purchase, it asked me to put in some email information, and then they actually sent me a $5 coupon, so I used the coupon to get this for a cheaper price. So I'm just going to quickly unbox it and make a comparison. I don't have many ratchets to compare it to, so I'm just gonna show you what I have and we're gonna make a comparison. I've never used gear wrench ratchets before, but just looking at it, it looked pretty interesting to me, so I picked it up. And of course, if this is good for you guys, then hopefully it will interest you. If not, it may turn you off from picking up this ratchet set. So I'm just going to quickly cut it open. Comes in a sponge holder. Hopefully it won't cut through. That's one thing I really hate about this kind of packaging, is that they always put it in stiff. See, I just cut right through the sponge. But they always put it in this stiff, hard plastic. I mean, it's good and all, but I just don't like opening these things. Alright, so it's pretty heavy. Like I said, it comes with 4 ratchets, and it's 120 teeth, which is actually 60 teeth, but it has 2 ratcheting mechanisms. So it's actually pretty close. It's kind of like that. It's almost no movement to make it click. Okay, so anyways, you just make a quick comparison. It's flex head too, and it's got the I wouldn't really call this locking exactly, but it's how should I say, notched. So it's not a full locking mechanism, but the notches will help you hold it in place. But there is still a chance where you could easily push it forward and you'll bang your fist into something. Some people really are against flex head ratchets, but for myself, I don't really have any issues with it. And like I said, the notches really help. They do have a little spring to it, so it'll help you hold it in place. So you get a 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/2 inch longer. I don't know exact length on this thing, but you have a 1/2 inch, and then you get your 3/8 extended, also same. And you have a stubby, I believe this is 3/8 too. So it's actually not bad. This one's a lot better actually. The feel is a lot better on the flex head portion. So I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of what 120 teeth, which like I said is just a kind of a marketing thing. It's actually 60 teeth, but it's on a double ratcheting mechanism. So anyways, I'm going to make a quick comparison. So this here is a snap-on. I don't know exactly how many teeth these things have, because I've purchased it such a long time ago. I probably got this in early 2000, and I've been using it throughout my automotive career. But like I said, I've gone out of the automotive business, so I haven't been using it as much, but I still do make use of this stuff. And so this is a snap-on ratchet, and you can see that to make one click, it's not that bad, but it still takes a little distance. So I'm going to do a comparison with this. So here we go. Maybe if you look at it from this angle, you can tell the difference. Okay, so I'm going to try this again so you can see for once again for the 3/8 snap on. So you see the difference there. It's quite noticeable. And so, okay, so I'm going to make a comparison with the 1/2 inch. Oh, sorry, 1/4 inch. So this is a gear wrench. This is actually a Matco. So here's a Matco. Let's see here if you can see that. Okay, so Matco. It's a little hard to tell. Maybe I should have marked the socket. Or we could use this number 4 here. I don't know if you could see that as the marker. So this is actually quite a bigger distance. Okay, so this is the gear wrench. And so here we go. Let's spin it around. Okay, and here we go. So you can use this as the indicator. Okay, so it's quite noticeable that the 1/4 inch is actually the distance is a lot shorter. So this is also a snap-on 1/2 inch. Do the same thing. It's a little harder to tell since it's an impact socket, but the gap is quite huge on this. A 1/2 inch, I wouldn't really necessarily say that you would need 120 teeth. Well, at least for regular automotive gas-powered cars, you're probably not going to need such a tight tolerance. Usually when you're going into 1/2 inch territory, it doesn't really matter. Mainly you're going in for torque, because you want that strength when you're busting bolts. So for this 1/2 inch, I don't really have any care for it, I guess I should say. Yeah, probably I won't really care much about this being a 120 tooth ratchet, whereas for the 3/8, it does make a difference, especially in tight spots when you're like doing belts or something like that. This kind of stuff will help. So that's pretty much it. I don't really have much to show because I don't really have any projects going on right now, but I just picked this up, like I said, from Lowe's. I believe Walmart is also having the same price, and so you could pick it up from Walmart, you could get it from Lowe's, you could get it from wherever else you have that you can get it for cheaper or whatever. Like I said, always in all my videos, I'm not sponsored by anybody, so whatever you can do to get your best price, I mean, go with whatever company you can get it from. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. I'll get to them right away. Thanks.